So over here on the top for quick access, you can see favorites over here. So you can see that there's inbox over here and this is a favorite. So if I want to go around and remove this from favorite, then I can simply right click over here and remove this from favorite, and the inbox does not appear on the favorite section, as you can see right here. I can go around onto drafts and remove this from favorite as well. Let's say what I want is I have this particular folder, like calendar emails, and let's say I want that on the favorite section. In that case, I can simply go around and right click over here, and then I can go around and add that to favorite. What I can also do is add a certain contact to favorite. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here on, let's say, this message right here, on the tutorial message, and what I'm going to go around over here and then go to this email address right here. I can simply right click on this particular email and I can go around onto more option and add to favorites as well, and this particular email has been added onto favorites. And as I click, all of the messages from the sender get shown over here, as you can see. So I can go around and add in certain folders. So let's just go around and add the calendar to favorites as well. So you can see that inbox is already here, so you can remove this from favorites over here as well, or you can right click and add this to favorites over here and it pops up above. So I can go around and remove this from favorites over here as well. So I can go around, remove this from favorites, and only have what I want. Like here, I got inbox, I got sent items, and I got the email. Let me just go around and remove the sent items from the favorites as well. And this is what I have accumulated in the favorites section. So that is how you can add and remove from favorites inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.